rowing boat. Wolf, Chip, and Craig were going out of the river. Flappy went too. "We will take those rowing boats," said Dad. "Good choice," said Joe. They put the penny fin into the boat and got in. "Don't forget the coat," said Wolf. "Can I row?" asked Chip. "Yes, I'll show you," said Dad. "You have a go, Craig," said Dad with both hands. "Let's stop here for the picnic," called Chip. "But not by those stones," said Dad. "We can unload the boat," said Chip. "Hand me the coat," said Craig. "This plum tastes very good," said Craig. "Homegrown," said Dad. "Don't be so enjoying, Flappy," said Wolf. "He wants his bone," said Chip. Suddenly there was a louder noise. "What's that?" asked Wolf. "I can hear words," said Chip. The boys were trying to throw a rope over a big stone. Just then Joe fell into the river, and the rope fell in two. "Oh no," said Joe. "Get hold of the rope." "Too late," said Joe. The boat was floating away. Roy tried to catch the boat, but he fell in too. Suddenly, Flappy jumped into the river. "He went to join in and help," said Chip. "Look," said Craig. "Flappy is going for the rope." Flappy got rope in his teeth. Good boy, Flappy," called Chip. The dad made the boat safe. Flappy had got a good soaking. He shook himself all over the boy. Joe and Roy swam back to their boats. "Can you give us a tow?" asked Roy. "We can row back." "Did you enjoy the trip?" asked Joy. "Yes, very much," said Wolf. The end.